All right, Brian, thank you. People in Waterbury have had to deal with a few significant water main breaks in recent months, like this one on Huntington Avenue. It affected people for weeks, not just in the city, but in Watertown, too.
Yeah, it's been a big challenge, and this area is in the spotlight again, but this time as a preventative measure. NBC Connecticut's Kevin Geis is live from Huntington Avenue. And Kevin, what's going on there today?
Yeah, well, Matt and Jane, Huntington Avenue looking strikingly similar to how it did last fall when we were here multiple times following that catastrophic water main break like you mentioned. Now, the good news is this is a proactive measure, not an emergency measure. And according to the city, because it's proactive, there shouldn't be any major impact to water across the city. It's a familiar sound along Huntington Ave. Neighbors remembering the city's water woes to end 2025 and start 2026.
Honestly, you don't realize how much you need water until you don't have it.
It was two major breaks to end 2025 top of mind, one leaving the city waterless for 4 days and residents boiling or buying water for longer. But this spring, the city taking a proactive step in shoring up the system.
We picked this spot to put in this new valve to replace an older valve because it would not have a real disruption to the system.
A new valve will be dropped in here on Huntington Avenue. The mayor says this project was moved up from later this year to now accelerate the timeline to prevent catastrophic issues like the city saw at the turn of the new year.
It's not going to completely resolve the problem of water breaks in New England, but it will resolve, this widespread issue.
The idea is by replacing this valve, if another break occurs, it will be easier to isolate. There are another 7 to 9 valves they're looking to replace designated critical to control the system.
That should help alleviate some of the problems.
For those living here, it's just about access to clean water, something they don't want to have to think about again.
Living here, I don't want to hear that the water is out, honestly, especially in the wintertime. And the mayor also offered the important reminder that a lot of the infrastructure here in Waterbury dates all the way back to the early 1900s. So there could be more water main breaks in the future. But the hope is with the $30 million that they've invested over the last year, as well as the valves that they're replacing in critical parts of the system, that it won't be as widespread of an issue. We're live in Waterbury tonight. Kevin Geis, NBC Connecticut News. Guys, back to you.